Top 5 Best Vitamix Blender. Number 5. Vitamix A3500 Blender. The Vitamix A3500 is a professional-grade blender that comes with a 64-ounce container. Like the other blenders in this series, the pitcher is BPA-free Triton. With wattage at 1400 watts and a peak horsepower of 2.2 horsepower, the motor in this blender power drives the steel blades through tough food ingredients. Additionally, the base automatically detects the size of the container and adjusts the settings to deliver unique blending. It boasts variable speed controls and is coupled with pulse functionality, which is easy to operate. All these are well laid out in a digital control interface that makes it easy for your navigation. The Vitamix A3500 has a digital timer and built-in wireless connectivity that eliminates any guesswork in your recipes. This also comes in handy when you have to handle multiple tasks in the kitchen. Like the other Ascent series of the Vitamix blenders, you get a 10-year full warranty. Pros: 10 variable speeds, digital timer, built-in wireless connectivity, easy to operate, 10-year warranty. Cons: no program settings like other Ascent series blenders. Coming in number 4. Vitamix A3500. When you are doing several things in the kitchen, this blender's 5 pre-programmed settings will come in handy for your work. Unlike most other Vitamix blenders, this series has a touchscreen control panel for the pre-programmed settings. Amazingly, with this model, you can adjust your settings midway, for instance, bump up the time by 20 seconds in the middle of that blending without having to turn off the variable speed dial. Vitamix A3500 blender is powered by a 1380 watts, 2.2 horsepower motor and has a 64-ounce low-profile pitcher. Armed with intelligence technology, the base can detect the size of the pitcher fitted on it, and in response, adjusts the program setting. The machine comes with built-in wireless connectivity, 5 pre-programmed settings, and pulse function for when you need to fine-tune the texture of your recipes manually. It also has a built-in timer to prevent overheating or underprocessing of your healthy ingredients and a 10-speed variable to choose from and an incredible 10-year full warranty. This machine also has built-in Wi-Fi technology, and if you download the app, the blender is capable of reaching 17 program settings. Pros: wipe clean touchscreen control panel, 10-year warranty, 5 pre-programmed settings, built-in timer and Wi-Fi technology. Cons: expensive. Can't access some program settings without the app. Coming in number 3. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. Due to its elegant design, Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender will easily fit in your standard kitchen cabinet with its 64-ounce low-profile container. Driven by a robust 2.2 horsepower and a 1380 watts motor base, this blender will easily handle the crushing and blending needs. It comes with 5 pre-programmed settings to efficiently handle your frozen desserts, smoothies, purees, hot soup, and self-cleaning functionality. This machine has a sleek modern exterior that will complement your kitchen decor. Like other Vitamix blenders, its control interface has the typical 2 toggles and a control panel at the center. It has pulse functionality that you can select using one of the toggles as the other functions as the start/stop option. The panel control is handy in selecting the pre-programmed speeds. The model comes with a solid, sturdy base and 4 laser-cut stainless steel blades fixed to the BPA-free Triton calibrated pitcher. When fully assembled, the blender weighs 12 pounds and would thus be very stable when in use. For your maintenance concerns, this model has a 7-year full warranty. Pros: compact and convenient in size, pre-programmed settings, incredibly powerful motor, easy to use and clean, sleek modern design. Cons: relatively heavy, noisy. Coming in number 2. Vitamix 7500. This is a new generation G-series blender that ranks high owing to its reliability, power, and ease of use. This high-end machine runs a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor that will handle all your blending needs. It generates impressive blending power, working at 1500 watts and 37,000 RPM, rotations per minute. Donning 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature, the Vitamix A3500 has become a darling of many. It comes with a self-cleaning mode for your convenience. Additionally, it has cooling fans that enable the blender to run for longer durations without overheating. The 4-inch long aircraft-grade stainless steel blades fixed in the container make it convenient for chopping and blending. This blender also comes with a tamper that removes air pockets when handling hot ingredients. If you are sensitive to noise levels, then this series has a noise-dampening insulation that reduces the noise levels by around 40% as compared to other blenders. When fully assembled with its BPA-free Hardy high-profile pitcher, the blender will stand at 17.25 inches, and that will fit just well in your standard kitchen cabinet. Suffice to say, the Vitamix A3500 has a simple control panel comprised of 2 toggles and a dial that you can easily manipulate to operate it. For your warranty needs, this machine comes with a 7-year warranty on its motor. Pros: strong, powerful motor. Exceptionally quiet with less vibration. Self-cleaning mode. Aircraft-grade blades. Modern control panel with 10 variable speeds. Fits under standard kitchen cabinets. Cons: little pricey. Coming in number 1. Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 offers professional standard blending. The model comes with a 64-ounce Tristan blending jug that is durable for your needs in the kitchen. For ease of use, it has 2 toggles and a control panel for setting any of the 10 speed variables available, weighing 10.56 pounds, and with a tall but slender pitcher, the blender stands at 20.5 inches. Some have found this height a bother, especially when trying to fit it in your standard kitchen cabinet. For the real work, this classic blender has 3-inch wide stainless steel blades, and that sits at a favorable angle. To drive the machine, a 2-horsepower 1100 watts motor supports the Vitamix 5200, which is efficient for your professional blending needs. This model is much more than a smoothie maker. Its robust stainless steel blades and 2-horsepower motor provide enough friction to turn your cold ingredients into hot soups. For ease of cleaning, this blender has the self-cleaning mode, but expect to wash the pitcher manually. Pros: variable speed control. Powerful motor. Easy to use and clean. Makes soups and blends hot liquids. Cons: hard to fit under standard kitchen cabinets. No pulse feature.